There has never been a better time to be at SRC Summit other than right now. The industry is shifting. AI, private equity, right to repair, and new revenue streams are rewriting all of the rules. Now, if you've been in business long enough, you've already started to see these shifts in the marketplace. The contractors who adapt now will be the ones who thrive. SRC stays in the know to help keep you prepared for the future. Now, this year's summit is built around the exact strategies you need to stay ahead. We're even bringing in more classes around fire, smoke, water, and mold mitigation. Now, I personally pivoted to fire and smoke claims in the last few years to add to what I was already doing in roofing. And I gotta tell you, the margins are phenomenal. So if you're like me and you want to add to what you're already doing, then join me at SRC this year and we'll show you how. I'm excited to bring you an educational experience that will leave you with way more than your investment to attend. You'll gain tools to grow, protect your margins, and lead your team with confidence in 2026. Now imagine being the company that's ahead, while others are just scrambling to catch up. So what are you waiting for? Click below and secure your ticket before the next price increase. I look forward to seeing you there.